When the storm has gone, the forest cries, fallen trees beneath the cloudy skies. Mylo stands where silence grew, dreaming of a world renewed, being paved with Borin strength and Pipkin's care.
Our future is
and
not
with
merely
hands
a
planting
dream,
everywhere.
but a path we shall forge
Together they rise, hearts aligned, turning dust to life divine.
And if
We plant the seeds of hope again.
Yes, that makes perfect sense.
From the ashes life remains. Through the pain we find our way, a brighter dawn, a brand new day. Streams now flow where sorrow lay. Derry lifts the logs away. Under Mylo's stand
We make a great team.
New life grows, forgiving all to hand. Hand in hand, we heal the land. Roots grow deep where hearts still stand. Every sprout a promise true. Nature
Almost
breathes because of you. Ooh. We plant the seeds of hope again. Let the green return to plain. Together strong we light the way for tomorrow's brighter day. The sun sets gold, the earth reborn. From broken ground, new dreams are sworn. Seeds of hope will stand.
If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.